Let me show you how to add your business on Google My Business and get more customers. When you add your business on Google My Business, people around that your business environment, around that street, around that local government, around that state where your business is situated, are going to find your business whenever they search anything on Google that is related to your business. Let me show you what I mean by this. Let's say you are in an environment and you are looking for a salon to go and take care of your hair. You can just search something like a salon near me with your phone on Google. Salon near me with your Google location turned on your phone. Google is going to show you all the salon that are close to you. It's going to recommend it based on your location that is very closer to you. All these businesses, all these salons are salons that have been added on Google My Business. If you don't add it, that means they will not be able to search and see you from Google whenever people that need such services that is related to your business are searching them on Google. So you can see all these things are being suggested by Google based on my precise location, and these people have already added these things on Google My Business. In this way now, they are going to be getting more customers that are coming from Google. So whenever you search, you can see this one is called Hair Hub. When you click on that Hair Hub, you are going to see all the information about the business. You can see it. It's always bearing your address, the address of the business. This one is 100 NTA Road, Mbaoba, Port Harcourt. This one is hours. It's going to show the hours of your operation, how long you operate your business. Is it from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock? Just that way. It's going to bear the phone number. It's going to bear the website. It's going to bear every information you would want the public to know about your business. In this, if I want to patronize this store now, this salon, I can just either call the phone number that I want to come and have a haircut in your salon, or I take a bike or Uber and tell the person to take me to this particular address. Even if you want to go yourself, you can click on this direction. Google is going to fetch your location, your correct location, and give you direction on how to go about locating it. Or at visit, if they have a booking website, if it's a business that is related to booking, and you can simply log into their website and book for whatever their services is all about, or make order for whatever thing they say. In this way, you are going to be getting very good patronage. So all this helps to bring more customers to your business, and not just customers, quality customers. I remember one guy that runs a laundry business. He says some of his best paying customers come from Google My Business. That is to say that the kinds of customers that come from this Google My Business are quality, high paying customers. Sometimes maybe companies that are new to the location. Okay, so to add your business to Google My Business, all you have to do is to go to your browser and visit business.google.com, as you can see it there. When you visit, it's going to take you to this place. You just have to click on Start Now. When you click on Start Now, you're going to put in the name of your business here and say, what should I even... Sunshine Tech. Okay, you're going to put in your business name, Sunshine Tech. I'm just using this thing as an example. Then you click on continue. Then when you click on continue, you're going to choose your business type. What type of business do you run? Choose your business type. You can see here options: online retail, local store, service, business. So your business offers service. You can choose this. Okay, you can say, let's choose this. If you sell product, local store, you can choose that as well. Okay, click on next. When you click on next, you're going to say business category. Enter a business category. Help customers define. Okay, I can say technical school. So you just search. There are options there that are related to what you are doing. Let me search information. Okay, I can just decide to choose this. If I could, then I can select the best category. So just make sure you select the best category for your business. So let's proceed. When you proceed, you are going to see here, enter your business address, choose your business address, enter your street. You can say Nigeria as a country, if your business is based in Nigeria. So we have selected the country of our business. You can put street, say Lagos Street, whatever street. Okay, what is the local government of your business? And say Lagos. What is the city? You can say Lagos. Postal code, put in your postal code. Maybe select Lagos, then put it next. So all the information I'm filling there just does not matter. All this information is just for tutorial purpose. So you can just select. This one says, is this your business? So these ones are just already added businesses. It's trying to know if you have already added it before. You can just say none of this and click on next. Okay, when you click on next, where are you located? So here you can choose your map, use your map and locate exactly where that business is situated. So after doing that, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, then you're going to put your phone number and verify. So once you put your phone number and verify, you have successfully added your business to Google My Business. So this is going to help you to get more customers for your business, no matter the kind of business you are doing, whether you are selling products or offering service. This is called local SEO. If you add your business successfully in this Google My Business, you'll be surprised at the kind of calls you'll be getting from people around your business environment that want to patronize. So if this video is helpful, do well to like, leave your comments, share the video, and follow our page. Here we share content on tech, business, finance, and everything that pertains to growth. See you in our next video.